Welcome to our channel. Take out your black pen and draw a fairy wand. Draw a big heart. Draw another heart in the center. Draw a diamond. There's a crown at the top. A small circle. Another circle and heart at the bottom. A thick handle. Adding a bit of texture. The love heart is bordered by a pretty bow. Here's a little more of the pattern. Paint a cute little wing on the side. Colorful flakes all around. And finally, some circles on the big heart. Now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start tracing the edges. It's done. It's great. Now let's start filling in the colors. Purple. Yellow. Light purple. Orange. Bright yellow. Blue. Rose. Light pink. Green. Brownish red.